Sweet Pongal is one of those traditional Indian recipes that is served on auspicious occasions and is extremely easy to make. Let's get started. I'm taking half a cup of washed yellow moong dal and 1 cup of rice. To cook them, I'm taking 1 teaspoon ghee in a cooker and transferring the dal and rice. Next, I'm adding 2 cups of water and 1 cup of milk. I'm closing the lid and letting the dal and rice pressure cook for 3 whistles. Until then, let's make the rest of the components, the jaggery syrup and fried dry fruits. In a pan, I'm taking 2 cups of jaggery and 4 cups of water. All the jaggery will gradually melt off and we will let it reduce to a semi-thick syrup. The jaggery syrup is ready. Next, in a pan, I'm taking 2 tablespoons of ghee. Once the ghee has heated, I'm adding 3 tablespoons of chopped cashews and 10 to 12 raisins. Fry them for a minute on low heat. This is done. Let's check the dal and rice now. They are cooked soft. To this, I'm adding the jaggery syrup we made. Mix. Next goes in half a teaspoon of cardamom powder, the fried dry fruits, 1 tablespoon of ghee and a pinch of edible camphor. If you don't have edible camphor, you can skip it. Mix and sweet pongal is ready. You can top it up with a spoon of ghee if you would like and enjoy this sweet delight. Until we meet again, eat well, live well and stay blessed.